My name is Lexi Sione, and I am from Gillespie County. I am a Healthy Texas Youth Ambassador. For those of you who don't know what that is, I'm someone who is passionate about teaching you all about the different components that go into living a healthy lifestyle. Today, I would like to focus in on the necessities of kitchen gadgets. More specifically, the meat thermometer. The meat thermometer can be defined as a kitchen gadget that measures the internal temperature of cuts of meat, such as a steak. In order to use it, you stick it into the thickest part of your meat that you have without touching any bone, gristle, or fat. A little bit of a fun fact is that you should let your meat rest for about 3 minutes after cooking, just so if there are any lost juices, it can reabsorb those juices and become even more flavorful. And the cuts of meat that you have will always vary on temperature. For example, I'm using a steak in this video today, which should be at 145 degrees. A little bit of a precautions to take is to wash your meat thermometer before and after use. And if your meat is not cooked thoroughly, I would not recommend eating it because you can get a disease like E. coli or salmonella. You can find the recipe I used for the steak today at dinnertonight.tamu.edu. Thank you.